High above the tree line, where the air is thin and, the winds bite with an icy chill, lives one of the world's most remarkable mountaineers. This is the realm of the Himalayan Tahr, a creature perfectly sculpted by the forces of this extreme environment. Often mistaken for a wild goat, the tahr is a unique and fascinating animal, a true master of the high-altitude wilderness. Its story is one of incredible resilience, surprising adaptations, and a quiet dignity that honestly commands respect. Join me, Prashant, as we journey into the heart of the Himalayas to uncover the secrets of this magnificent beast. In this video, we will explore the life of the Himalayan Tahr, delving into the extraordinary facts that make it so special. From its surprising family tree to its astonishing climbing abilities, each aspect of its existence reveals a new layer of wonder. We will see how it not only survives but thrives in one of the most inhospitable landscapes on our planet. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer tenacity and beauty of this mountain monarch. The facts we are about to uncover might just change the way you see the wild inhabitants of our world's highest peaks. So, find a comfortable spot and let us begin our ascent into the world of the Himalayan Tahr. We will witness its incredible physical traits, its behavior, and its journey across continents, far from its native home. I am certain that by the end of our exploration, you will have a newfound appreciation for this rugged and resilient animal. These are not just facts. They are chapters in a story of survival written on the very slopes of the world's greatest mountain range. Stay with me, as the story of the Tahr is one that deserves to be told. One might look upon the Himalayan Tahr, with its powerful build and goat-like features, and assume its lineage is straightforward. However, the Book of Life often contains unexpected plot twists. While it shares the same family, Bovidae, as domestic goats and sheep, detailed genetic studies have revealed a more intricate story. The Tahr, it turns out, is not a true goat of the genus Capra. Instead, it belongs to its very own genus, Hemitragus, a name that translates to half-goat, hinting at its unique evolutionary path. Its closest living relatives are surprisingly sheep. This subtle yet profound distinction sets it apart, a distinct branch on the vast tree of life that has found its own way to conquer the mountains. This classification highlights a fascinating aspect of evolution known as convergent evolution, where unrelated species develop similar traits to adapt to similar environments. The Tahr's goat-like agility and ruggedness are adaptations for a life lived on the edge, a life of vertical challenges and precarious ledges. It is a testament to nature's ingenuity that it can arrive at similar solutions through different evolutionary routes. So, when we observe the Tahr, we are not just seeing a wild goat, we are witnessing a unique evolutionary masterpiece, a half-goat that has perfected the art of mountain living, standing as a proud and distinct symbol of the Himalayas. To endure life in the Himalayas is to withstand some of the most extreme temperature shifts on the planet. The Tahr's survival hinges on one of its most remarkable features, its dense, multi-layered coat. During the warmer months, this coat is a lighter reddish-brown, providing camouflage against the summer rocks and sparse vegetation. But as winter approaches and the mercury plummets, a profound transformation occurs. A thick, woolly undercoat grows in, providing an insulating layer so effective that it traps body heat, creating like a personal furnace against the biting cold. This is then covered by a shaggy outer layer of long, coarse guard hairs, which act as a shield against wind, snow, and ice. This magnificent winter coat, which can vary in color from deep red to dark brown, is not merely functional, it is a thing of beauty. It gives the Tahr a powerful, almost regal appearance, as it stands resolute against a backdrop of snow and ice. The coat is so efficient at insulation that snow can settle on a Tahr's back without melting, a clear indicator of how little body heat is allowed to escape. It is a perfect example of adaptation, a living garment woven by millennia of evolution to face the relentless challenge of the high-altitude winter. This incredible coat is the Tahr's key to survival in a world of ice. The slopes of the Himalayas are treacherous, a vertical world of loose scree and sheer rock faces where a single misstep can be fatal. For the Himalayan Tahr, however, this perilous landscape is a playground, a sanctuary. They are, without question, among the most accomplished climbers in the animal kingdom. Their agility is made possible by the unique structure of their hooves. The outer rim is hard and sharp, like keratin-based crampons, allowing them to grip the smallest of cracks and ledges in the rock. The inner part of the hoof is a soft convex pad that acts like a suction cup, molding to uneven surfaces and providing phenomenal traction. This combination gives them a foothold where it seems none exists. With these specialized hooves and powerful stocky legs, they navigate the cliffs with a confidence that is, honestly, breathtaking to witness. They can leap across terrifying chasms and descend near vertical faces with a controlled, bouncing gait. This extraordinary climbing ability is not just for show. It is their primary defense mechanism. When threatened by predators such as snow leopards, the Tahr will retreat to the most inaccessible cliffs, a terrain where few other creatures can follow. Here, on the precipice of the world, they find their safety, turning the mountain's greatest danger into their ultimate refuge. As the Himalayan winter cloaks the mountains in white, the male Tahr, or bull, undergoes a spectacular transformation. While both sexes are impressive, it's the male that develops one of the most striking features in the ungulate world, a magnificent mane. This ruff of long, flowing hair grows from its neck and shoulders, cascading down its chest and front legs. During the summer, this mane is less pronounced, but as the breeding season, or rut, approaches in the colder months, it grows to its full, glorious length and thickness. The color darkens, often becoming a rich, dark brown that, really stands out against the snow-covered terrain. This impressive mane serves a dual purpose. Firstly, it offers additional insulation for the neck and chest, which are crucial areas to protect from the freezing temperatures. But perhaps more importantly, it is a statement of dominance and fitness. During the rut, bulls will display their manes to rivals and potential mates. A larger, thicker mane signifies a strong, healthy male, one that has had the resources to grow such an adornment. It's a visual signal of power, used in elaborate displays before clashes with other males for mating rights. This stunning feature transforms the bull Tahr into a truly majestic figure, a king of the mountain, adorned with his winter crown. While its name forever ties it to the towering peaks of the Himalayas, the story of the Tahr has expanded far beyond its native range of India, Nepal, and Tibet. In an interesting chapter of its history, this mountain specialist has become a world traveler, albeit not by its own choosing. In the early 20th century, humans introduced the Himalayan Tahr to new lands, primarily for sport hunting. One of the most notable introductions was to the southern Alps of New Zealand. Here, in a mountain range half a world away, the Tahr found a landscape remarkably similar to its ancestral home, with steep terrain and alpine grasslands. Without its natural predators, like the snow leopard, the Tahr population in New Zealand flourished, perhaps too well. They have become a permanent, if controversial, part of the alpine ecosystem there. Similarly, small populations were established on Table Mountain in South Africa, and in parts of Argentina and the United States. While their presence in these new environments is a testament to their incredible adaptability, it also raises complex ecological questions. This global spread demonstrates the resilience of the Tahr, a creature capable of conquering not only the highest mountains, but new continents as well. To fuel a body capable of climbing mountains and withstanding extreme cold, one might expect a highly specialized diet. Yet, the Himalayan Tahr is a versatile herbivore, making the most of the sparse vegetation available in its high-altitude home. Their diet consists mainly of grasses, herbs, and the leaves and shoots of various shrubs. They are primarily grazers, methodically moving across alpine meadows during the warmer months, but they are also browsers, standing on their hind legs to reach tender leaves on low-hanging branches when the opportunity arises. This dietary flexibility is crucial for survival in an environment where food sources can be scarce and seasonal. Their daily routine is dictated by the search for food and the need for safety. Tahrs are most active in the early morning and late afternoon, venturing into more open areas to feed. As the sun climbs higher, they retreat to the safety of the cliffs to rest and ruminate, chewing the cud to extract every possible nutrient from the tough plant matter they consume. This two-step digestive process is highly efficient, allowing them to thrive on a diet that many other animals would find insufficient. The Tahr's life is a constant balance between finding sustenance and avoiding danger, a rhythm of grazing and retreat played out on the mountain stage. Despite its remarkable resilience and mastery of a harsh environment, the future of the Himalayan Tahr in its native range is uncertain. The very creature that can withstand the fury of the mountains faces a far more unpredictable threat: human activity. The primary dangers are habitat loss and poaching. As human settlements expand and infrastructure development encroaches upon the high-altitude meadows, the tahr's available feeding grounds shrink. This forces them into smaller, more isolated pockets, making populations more vulnerable. Furthermore, they are illegally hunted for their meat, hide, and for sport, putting additional pressure on their numbers. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, lists the Himalayan tahr as near threatened, a warning sign that without intervention, its status could worsen. Conservation efforts are now underway, focusing on creating protected areas, enforcing anti-poaching laws, and working with local communities to foster a sense of stewardship. The survival of this majestic mountaineer depends on us. It is a shared responsibility to ensure that the Himalayan tahr continues to roam its ancestral home, a living symbol of wildness and a testament to the enduring spirit of the mountains. Its fate hangs in the balance, a story whose final chapter we are now writing. We have journeyed high into the clouds, into the world of the Himalayan tahr, and have seen just a glimpse of what makes this animal so truly extraordinary. From its surprising genetic identity as a half-goat to its incredible life-saving coat and its breathtaking acrobatic skills, the tahr is a marvel of the natural world. Each fact we've uncovered is a thread in the rich tapestry of its life, a life lived on the very edge of existence. The image of a male tahr, his magnificent winter mane blowing in the wind as he stands sentinel on a cliff, is a powerful reminder of the untamed beauty that still exists on our planet. The story of the tahr is one of both strength and vulnerability. Its ability to adapt has allowed it to colonize new continents. Yet in its own home, it faces threats that could push it towards extinction. This duality serves as a poignant lesson for all of us. As we stand in awe of nature's creations, we must also recognize our profound responsibility to protect them. The future of the Himalayan tahr and countless other species depends on our awareness, our respect, and our actions. I am truly curious to know which of these unbelievable facts surprised you the most. Was it their unique hooves, their global travels, or their majestic winter manes? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to read them. And if you found this journey into the high Himalayas as fascinating as I did, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on notifications. There are so many more incredible stories from the animal kingdom waiting to be told. Thank you for joining me.